Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, my parents runs off their shit right now. My mom goes steak thing grill. I was like, what? What else did he eat? All the marinade shit at the house?
Yeah.
Okay. She said we can get
You want to make s'mores?
Why'd you leave me like that?
You want to make s'mores?
Why'd you leave me like that? I was just like, look behind me. I was like, I'm just saying the lineup there is god awful right now. It's fine. We're gonna get snacks anyways. Please. Oh, wait.
What you're thinking about?
We should not go into Walmart hungry. Yeah, I know. It's dangerous. I'm ready to eat about everything. I can just. I'm about to open it. I tell you what, son, that feeds about 250 people right there. I tell you what, Doug. That break windshield. Gosh, that. Hey, baby. I put on a waterfall. You go so slow. I put on. Wheeled it up. See, this is the road we just missed.
Jesus Christ. Brass.
Hey! What's that, it?
Hunter. Get it, Brass.
Yes, sir. You can get up on that ladder if you want. Tell you what, Jim, we go. Shit good.
Out here on the JetSki. Should have got a GoPro and brought it out here. These little kids can't get up, bro. Bruh. Alright, so we at Buff's house. I'm out here with Bryce. We fat chilling. We fat chilling right now. I'm really got him. Yeah, we just out here riding the jet skis, having fun. I'm gonna lose my phone doing that shit. Get it. All right, I really need to get a GoPro next time I come out here, but we'll do that next time. So for now, we're gonna have the iPhone quality on the lake. Where do you want to go to now? Women? Well, let's go find the women, boy. Let's go find them. We've came across a sunken boat. Damn. Rip the boat. What's it say on the inside? Yummy. Bruh.
But when we were headed there was like those little John boats with the like fish, where it's like a fishing boat they take on the river, but they had it back there on that channel. There was like 2 of those, another jet ski, and then a pontoon coming this way with the tube on the back.
They were fucking up the wakes, bro. They were not.
Drive, kids. I'm sponsored by Bud Light. That's why you drink and then drive.
I told him, I was like, dude, when you come back here, usually it's just glass. I hate that you missed out on that. I really do, because I mean, it's literally.
Dude, it was like that right there,
Yeah.
if not worse, the whole way.
We'll get some gas later and then show you what it really looks like.
It is pretty.
Dude, beautiful. And then the sun sets in that direction.
Boy,
too.
those mountains in the back. God dang, God, they good.
I might just stay close to the dock just because we're low on gas.
Yeah. Let's ride back there, hit that second bridge, and come back and then go get some food or something.
All right.
Alright, I need
This
a
thing's
medium,
faster than my
I need a
Mustang.
medium 360 before you get out of here.
What?
Wrong key. Wrong key. Let me see that one.
I handed you that one.
Mine's working. That was the yellow one. Yeah. You want to switch?
It says wrong key.
Huh?
It says wrong key.
That's the one I handed to you.
This one was attached to that one. But I don't understand why that one already doesn't. Oh. Here, just.
You fooled the system.
Turn it off.
Yeehaw,
Show you some complications.
Yep. Technical difficulties.
Some technical difficulties. Now that one says wrong key.
Well, yeah, if like,
That's the wrong jet ski, you know what I'm saying?
That's the wrong ski. That ain't no jet, that's just ski.
Boom, boom.
Yes, sir, baby.
Tell you what, 250.
He's talking about tubing.
Keys about
Alright, I'm gonna need a 250, not a 360. Give me a mean 250. Yes, sir.
what about a 180?
Hey, jump over that boat real quick. Trace, 60, let go. Yes, sir.
Yes, JetSki.
Yeah.
Look at him go.
See you later.
Bro, Po's fucking up right now. Jesus. Bruh. Dude. How much gas you got? How much gas you got? 2? I just got it 2. We'll be alright. Don't run over me, Dave, damn it.
I'm drunk.
This is a vibe. I don't think I'm drunk anymore.
Oh, I am.
I know you drank that big ass margarita.
32-ounce margarita, bro.
Whew. Bro, if it was unlimited margaritas, we would have had Uber back.
Dude, but it's like 10 degrees cooler up here than it is back there. Shit.
We're in South Carolina now.
Yeah.
Bro, this is a vibe.
No, but this, like, when there's no boats and anything out, this is like glass, dude.
Yeah.
You're just skating across the water.
Dude, I should have brought a GoPro out here.
Those are rednecks over there.
This fucking boat won't start. Fuck, I want to turn around.
Huh? Make this a thumbnail so it looks like we got in an accident so you have something to say on your...
Jet ski wreck. Turns out bad. Bro, what
That boat is huge. Awful. You got a rod knock.
Bro, that motor sounds.
This shit sounds awful.
Oh, they got a they got a baddie on the boat.
I guess.
What if we get up there? She looks like a buck tooth fucking hillbilly. You wanna go see?
Her name's Kayla. Or Emma.
Oh my god, that's awful.
Then you got the motherfucker riding a bike across the bridge.
You wanna go fuck with him?
See, that's the thing. Is you gotta be picky. If you got motherfuckers you ride up on, you're like, hey, what's up? They might not leave you alone the rest of the night, you know what I'm saying? We ain't on jet skis though, they in John boats.
We can outrun them. Oh fuck, we have to take these all the way back to the dock. Is he gonna hook up and meet us over there? Bruh. Got jet skis out of the water. They're over here doing jet ski cover and stuff. Look at him. He's so big and strong. He's so fucking sunburned.
Sunburn. What the hell you talking about?
You're a little sunburned. Yeah, and he's a little caked up. Jesus Christ. I might have to upload it to the wrong side. Hold up.
I ain't burned, I just read.
Beautiful.
Not in the back? Huh? It's out in the back? Oh, it's used cat.
Real time.